You're welcome to another section of the ATU Library tutorial series. And in this tutorial series, we are going to cover Google Scholar search terms. So sometimes in searching an article, you are advised to use some keywords, but most often using even these keywords, some of the articles that do come out after the search, it's not what you want. So we want to use Google search terms, some of the terms that you can use in your search to get the right material or article that you want. So these are the search terms that we are going to cover today. We are going to look at these things. We have one is the intitle. The other one is the all intitle. The third one is the in-text. And the other one, that is the last one, is the all in-text. So these are some of the search terms that you can use, or these are search terms that can come before the keyword that you want to search on. So we are going to use this as an example. So we are supposed to get articles on total quality management, but the total quality management must relate to something in recruitment and selection. Moreover, to the total quality management must also relate to something that is a human capital development. So we are not only searching on total quality management, but it should relate to the two things over here. How are we going to combine these things so that we get material that talks about total quality management in recruitment and selection and also human capital development? We are going to use these search terms to get our materials. So basically, the intitle is telling us that whatever we want to search, all the result that comes after the search, we want to see, let's say, total quality management in the title of the article. However, the title is being framed, we want to see total quality management. Then, assuming we are pairing total quality management and any other phrase, let's say total quality management and recruitment and selection, we can say that in the title of the article, we want to see total quality management and also recruitment and selection. That is all in title. So the all in title is like we are combining two things and we are telling the search engine to bring out these two things, but must be seen in the title of the article. That is the all in title. Now, we are also saying that we can use the in-text. So this time around, we are not too much focused on the title of the article, but rather you just want to see, let's say, total quality management in the content of the article. That is the what? In-text. Then you might also say that you want total quality management in the content of the article, and moreover, recruitment and selection must also be part of the content of the article. So the in-text deals with the content of the article, and the in-title deals with the title of the article together with the all in title. So we have this one talks about the title of the article, and the text side, that is the in-text and the all in-text, talks about the content of the article. So we are going to use this to demonstrate the 4 search terms that we can use in Google Scholar. So I'm going to start with, so we are searching on total quality management. That is what we are searching on. That is, we have the total quality management. So we are starting with the in-title. So let me copy this. So we are saying that in-title, so once we have the in-title, you bring a quote over here, then you type total quality management, then you close your quote. So we have in-title, first there is a colon over here, which comes after the in-title. So in-title, colon, total quality management, then you close your quote. So you realize that the titles that we have over here, all the titles that we have showing as a result of our search, we have total quality management. You also have total quality management. So that is the meaning of the word intitle. So all the titles that will come after the search is being performed will show whatever you have in between your quotes. Now, we want to move on to, so that is it for the intitle. Now, I want to move on to the second one. This time around, we are supposed to get articles, not on total quality management alone, because total quality management can be applied to several disciplines. We have total quality management, or TQM, in even procurement. But this time around, we want TQM, that is total quality management in recruitment and selection. So we are going to use the all in title, because we want an article that has total quality management at the same time recruitment and selection as its title, or it forms part of its what title. So we have all in title, total quality management, and recruitment and selection. And recruitment and selection. Now we close the quote. So hit on search. So you realize that we have recruitment and selection, total quality management. Total quality management, recruitment and selection. Recruitment and selection, total quality management. So we are saying that we need total quality management, one. At the same time, recruitment and selection. All these two things must form part of the title of the article. And that is what we have over here. So when we are combining two things together, we use the all in title as one of the Google Scholar search terms. All right. The same thing applies to the in-text. The in-text, as I said earlier on, deals with the content of the article. Your focus is not much on the title of the article, but rather you are saying that the content of the article should have something relating to total quality management, or should have something relating to recruitment and selection, or whatever. So we can say that, first of all, when we have the in-text, we have the in-text, total quality management. So you can see that we have total quality management, that is the in-text, total quality management, total quality management. So that is the in-text. So you can use this to also search for articles. Now, we can also use the all in-text. That is, we want to combine two things, but we are saying that our main focus should be on the content of the article, not necessarily not necessarily the title of the article, but rather the content of the article. So we use the all in text. This time around, I'm going to use total quality management and human capital development. We have the all in text, total quality management, and human capital development. So we have total quality management, human capital development, total quality management, human capital development. So basically, you can use some of these search terms to query your search, or whenever you want to search any academic content or academic material using Google Scholar, you can use some of these things so that you get the exact material that you want. So we have the in title, we have the all in title, we have the in text, and also we have the all in text. All right. So thank you once again for watching another series of the ATU Library tutorial series. Always remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at ATU Library. Thank you.